Don't you think flying a drone in a wind tunnel of an area is a terrible idea?
Yes! And that's why I'm doing it. Not that long ago, I went out to go fly my drone in the area right outside of the Reunion Tower, and the security guy came out and told me that I just absolutely no drone flying. And I'm just like, but wait, what? I've got this thing that shows me that this is an okay area to fly. He's like, no flying at all in the state of Texas. And I just, I said, okay, I would like to know where I can fly. He gets on the phone with the head security guy, and he comes out, and he has got this printed paper, and he brings a police officer with him. And I'm just like, I don't really want to cause problems, I just want to know where I can fly my drone. In a nutshell, they're just like, well, you can't fly your drone here because we aren't going to give you permission to fly your drone here. If we catch you again, we're going to toss you out of the fucking hotel. Afterwards, they presented the laws to me, and they said, in a nutshell, that you can't fly a drone above 8 feet in the state of Texas, which is weird and defeats the point of having a drone in the first place. Well, that's what I should have done. But instead, I was just like, watch me, bitch. And I took it off, and the police officer tackled me, and I was like, I know my rights. I know my rights. He was like, don't tase me, bro. And so he tased me, and he threw me in the back of a car. And now that I'm out of prison, I had a Mountain Dew, and it was delicious. I joined a gang, and it was great. They gave me a slick bandana, and they made it super stylish. And they even told me when I get outside, I gotta get myself a unique tattoo. So we're gonna do that now. Oddy, bro.
What's up? What's up?
Whoa!
Oh shit, man. You did that while you were locked up? That's hardcore.
No, take pictures of him. He likes it more.
No, I'm kidding.
No.
Actually, no, I think you did actually make her.
It'll annoy him more, though.
No.
Or how about this?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh.
This works better.
That's adorable.
See, look how happy he is.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna drop you.
Don't let me follow you, bitch.
Our third place novice placer for this year is Digi Fox. Our novice second place winner is Chexy. And our first place winner, coming in for the first time this year, I believe, is Rocket. Our third place winner for veteran this year, Rhapsodie. Our second place winner, Burnout. And our first place winner, is, thank you, Digi Bear.
I want first place at dance comp.
That was good.
But it was good shit.
I'm gonna probably go die. We're gonna get all this stuff down and out of the air. So that's the next step.
Good luck, have fun.
I'm gonna try to have fun.
So we're picking up this Uber driver mainly for the purpose of going through the drive-thru because Jack in the Box is fucking closed.
Also getting back to the fucking hotel because we're like
Yeah, that
1 minute
too.
walk away. It's like -2 degrees. What the fuck, Texas?
We're gonna go through the drive-thru through your car because we're gonna order food here.